And hey guys, I am back. Wait, I'm not back. This is actually my first vlog. I'm going to show you guys how to train a cat. If you have a wire like this, then you're exceeding their expectations. Now let's start. Let it stay still, and he might catch it. Like that. Like that. And now put it in the air. Put it in the air, and then he'll jump to catch it. Look. Look. Hey, come here. Come here. I'm your prey, dude. Come here. Come here. Hey. Touser. Sit. There. Jump it. Oh, you're not killing me? I'm gonna kill you. Dun 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 dun. Right. Dun 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 dun. And that is, guys, how you train a cat. By this gang thing. So, bye guys. This is probably a short video, 1 minute. I don't care. But last time, get me. Get me. Get me. Okay, guys. Bye. I gotta go anyway. Okay, bye. Boop ass. Blech.